Hey there, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can log in on Comcast email account. For that, you need to open any browser according to your preference and you need to type a URL login Comcast email, and once you click on login Comcast email, you will be access to this result page where you can see a lot of results here. You just need to click on sign in to your Xfinity email account, and now you will be access to this page where you are instructed how you can sign in to your Xfinity or the Comcast email account or voicemail service. So just click on this xfinity.com and you will be access to this official interface of Xfinity or the Comcast email account, where on the upper right corner you can see sign in button. Click on sign in. This will take you to the sign in page of Xfinity ID. You just need to enter your email, mobile or username that you used while signing up with Xfinity ID. Once you enter the email, you need to click on Let's Go and follow the prompts on the other pages to log in or sign in on your Xfinity or the Comcast email account. If you like this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.